everyone, and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I have the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp March 2018 card kit. Okay, get the information sheet out here. This one is called Choose Joy, and this the kit includes a stamp set, 2 stamp sets, and this is the first time since I opened. Ooh, is that watermelon? Oh no, pink lemonade. Oh, how fun! I never had a pink lemonade sucker. Okay, sorry, squirrel. Anyway, 2 stamp sets. This is the first time that I've ever got 2 stamp sets in a card kit before, and this one is called Choose Joy, and it's got this real simple circle flower and some simple leaves, and you got some other greenery, and that looks like a little bud on that one, and a little bit more detailed flower. And these little rain boots with flowers in them are really cute. And this says Forever Friend, Choose Joy, Happy. This is Bloom Where You're Planted, You Bring Sunshine to a Gloomy Day. And then this is just a solid line with some stitching, a little gingham pattern, really cute. And then this one is called Showers and Flowers. And so we got a bunny, and we got this cute little ducky in galoshes stomping through a water puddle. That's too cute. It's got a little hat on too. And there's some bigger boots with more flowers. And so we've got a thanks, a you. Oh, there's some raindrops too that you can put over the umbrella. For always being so delightful. Hey there, hop stuff. I love. Your kindness is inspiring. And you make the rainy days brighter. Which it is rainy here in North Texas once again. Oh, and you make me happy. So if this video looks a little dark, no, I'm not shooting at night. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's just pouring down rain once again. Okay, so next is the Simon Says Stamp Hollyhock and Wisteria Mini Hybrid Ink Cubes. So Hollyhock and Wisteria. We're just bringing some paper here, and oh, that's a very pretty purple color. Let's check out the Hollyhock. That's very pretty too. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, and we have Doris white pom-poms. These are perfect little size to make a cottontail on the back of your little bunny and other fun stuff. Okay, then we got 12 double-sided sheets of Carta Spring Market 6x6 paper. So it's double-sided. So it's like, oh, a little flower market cart. Very cute. This one says Gerber Daisy. Oh, just all sorts of different flowers. Little tags, little bunnies. Green pattern, green. Window box pattern, a little wood pattern like that. With flowers and greenery. Oh, that's cute. So cute. That will be so cute with the galoshes and the flowers. So cute. That's pretty too. That's nice. That's a whole card on its own, or some other type of craft there. Lots of pretty papers. Carta always has good papers. Okay. Then we have 2 Carta Spring Market large sticker sheets. So that would be these. So these are cute. It's very pretty. And if you don't want to use them on your card, you could always use them to decorate your envelope. So, quick and easy envelope decoration. That's a good idea. Okay. Now we have 3 Simon Says Stamp pre-scored cards in cream. That's what these are. They're just A2 size card bases, and there's 3 of them, and they're already scored in the middle for you. Then we have one Tonic Studios glitter gloss Aqua Shimmer pen. So you just take the little yellow thing out, screw your base back on. Okay, and bring my notepad back in here. And you just squeeze it until you start seeing the liquid come down. Oop, there we go. Go soften up the end. It's very pretty. It kind of has a silver shimmer to it. It's very pretty. Okay. And then next we have Simon Says stamp envelopes in metallic lavender. That's pretty. That goes well with that, with this ink. And let's see, we have metallic cotton candy and khaki wood grain. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera or not, but it's a really cool wood grain. You can feel the wood grain too, so it's not just a print, it's a texture. So that's cool. Okay, and then 1 sheet each of Simon Says stamped 100-pound cardstock and green apple, leaf green, cotton candy, Nina 110 pound solar white. I used 110 pound for my card bases, and 100-pound Desert Storm. So very color coordinated to go with all these papers and stickers. Very color coordinated to go with that. So this is the Simon Says stamp March 2018 card kit called Choose Joy. Get all these wonderful, awesome things in 2 full-size stamp sets from Simon. So that's it for today. Look forward to sharing some cards with these things, and we'll see you soon. Bye.